Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation of this new 2019 Coachmen Catalina. It's a 221 TBS. It does have the triple bunks in there, which is kind of unique for a small, lightweight trailer. It's going to be great for the families that do need extra sleeping, especially for that lower bunk. Let's start on the inside and we'll finish on the outside. On the interior here, again, it's compact. It does have a nice deep small slide out over here that has that U-shaped booth in there, so you can sit plenty of people around the table here. You're going to have your easy access to your countertop with this extra support here on these little cutting boards. It's nice to have that ability to kind of spread that out. You do have your 3-burner, your oven there, microwave above, and the new interior colors, they've kind of lightened them up a little bit, got a little bit of a taupish kind of gray hue to them as opposed to that darker color, so it's kind of nice addition there. I see this does have a shelf, which I like that idea too. It's nice. That might be new this year. And then the triple bunks are down here, so you see that it's kind of darker and shadowy day today, but you might be able to see the camera here to show you the middle one there, and then you've got your upper bunk, and there is again that one down on the lower end. So you can have your 3. You know, a lot of times those little kids like to be on that lower area there to kind of really hide in there nicely. You've got in the bathroom, again, it's compact. It does have your tub shower, so you can get in there and wash up your feet and everything, and maybe a pet or a small child. You do end up having all of your stuff in the bathroom area here for your toilet and your medicine cabinet above here, a little bit of counter space as well. And then over here by the fridge, you do end up having some extra hanging space up above and some pantry down below there. When we go into the main area as well, from here you can see some storage, maybe for some other items in the kitchen. You do have place here for a TV. It's going to be pre-wired, so it will have a DVD combo kind of center right here by Furrion, I believe. Yep. And then you've got some additional storage down below here. In the bedroom, it does have a privacy door there, so it's a fully privatized master bedroom there. Do have some storage above here, and then you got the closet hanging space on both sides, and areas like nightstands on both sides of the bed as well too. Got cross ventilation coming from the safety window and this other window here as well too, and that master bedroom's nice. It's going to have a power awning like most of the trailers do have nowadays, so you've got that push button inside. You end up having the grab assist handle, which is nice to have. This is also nice for the fender being of metal instead of a little plastic. They tend to get crackly and weak in time. Nice storage here for your sewer. You've got also the spare tire, your power supply. It does have a black tank flush, which is a nice feature to have now. It's becoming more standardized too. You end up having a little camera up there. What that is actually is wiring for that, and the camera can be purchased as an accessory to put on there for your rear viewing. You can see there that slide out is going to have a rack and pinion electronic slide out system in there, so it's a nice heavy duty slide system. The actual black and gray valves over here are going to be easy to get to. They're up a little bit higher off the ground. And with Coachmen products and all that, they do come with a 1-year warranty. They also have in that 1-year warranty a 12-month roadside assistance as well too, so it's nice to have. And you'll find that Coachmen's been around for about 53 years, and again, Guaranty here, we've been around for about 52 years ourselves, so great relationship we have with them. It's a good opportunity for you to have questions. Please call me at the number you see at the end of this video. My name is Tom.Peterson, and I'd love to help. I've been here about 28 years, and again, would love to have questions. So remember, here at Guaranty in Junction City, it's an RV show every day.